You are welcome back to another lesson, and in this lesson we're going to learn how to sort data in Excel. So I want you all to enter these values in your cells, start from cell B2 through to cell C8. So we have the names here and we have the marks here. So we are going to sort them. So we have two way of sorting, or two formats of sorting, either in ascending order or descending order. So if you want to arrange in order, that means you want your cells to be from the highest to the lowest, and in the other way, that from lowest to highest will be the ascending order. Now if you look at this range, we have the names and their marks. The marks are here, so we want to arrange them in ascending order, descending order, that is from highest to lowest, so that you can able to identify the person who got the highest marks and the person who got the lowest mark. So this is what you are going to do. You are going to select the whole range of cells here. You are going to select from here, from the first person and the marks to the last person, like from B3 to C8. Then you go to the menu and go and select data. So on data, you go and select, you look for sort, then select the sort. A dialog box will appear for you to work on. Now if you look at the dialog box, you see that we have the sort by. The sort by is empty, so that's where you are going to select where you want the sorting to be, or where you want the sorting to base on. So let's select the drop arrow here. Now we have the names, you have the marks. We want to arrange the marks so that it will reflect their standards or their marks. I'm trying to say that if you want to arrange the marks so that you get the highest to the lowest. So you are going to select the marks. That's the mark that you are going to use to arrange or sort. Then the sort on is values, so we'll just leave that one there, but you can click on it and see what is there. We are basing our sorting on the values, but not the cell color, but not the font color, but not the color icon. We are based on the values, that the values, the numbers here. So let's maintain the values. Then let's go to the order. How do you want the sorting to be? If you select smallest to largest, it will be the descending order. If you select the largest to smallest, to be what? The ascending order. The descending order. You can select the custom, but our case, we are going to select the large to the smallest. Good. Then the moment you are through with this, you just click on OK. But before you click on OK, there are some instances whereby there may be two people or two marks having the equal numbers, or two people having equal marks. For instance, we have this name here which is having 70 marks, and another name here which is also having 70 marks. So you need to cater for that, so that it will tell the system to arrange the names also that in that way for you if they are at time. So with that, you go to the level here, then click on add level. So another row of formatting will appear here. Then you come to this and then by, so you click on then by and then select what? The names. Now here we are not going to use the marks again because we have worked on the marks already, and because we want to arrange the names there, we're going to use the names. So it will now search for the name for the person who got the 70 marks. Those who got the 70 marks, that's what you're going to use to arrange for that. Then the values will be the same. Then the alignment, we can use the A to Z, that is in alphabetical order. So let's maintain that one there, and then hit on OK. So we hit on OK, you see that the arrangement has been done for you, the first person to the last person. Now let's check the 70. You see that the person who got the 70, the first person is having A starting the name, and the other one is having R. That's why we use the alphabetical order. That's why it has arranged in this way. So this is the way of sorting your cells. But to end this, one thing you must note here is that when you are sorting your cells, don't only select the values alone, but try to set the labels to select everything. Select everything. Don't just leave the names and select the numbers alone. If you do that, your work will be is ordered. Okay, so I'll end here and we continue another time. God bless you.